Hey Divi Nation, welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a free, brand new Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a brand new mobile app layout pack you're really going to enjoy. Let's go ahead and check it out. Promoting your mobile app just got a whole lot easier with this engaging mobile app layout pack. You'll want to take advantage of the breathtaking, colorful graphics throughout, and you'll also appreciate the helpful page layouts included for pricing, for documentation, and even for testimonials. So take it for a spin and get your site up and running today. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new mobile app layout pack on your own website. Now before you start adding pre-made layouts from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi, Theme Options, then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes, and then you'll have access to those pre-made layouts without any problems. Next, you're ready to start creating your new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. Let's go to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option to choose a pre-made layout. And from the Load from Library pop-up, scroll and find the new mobile app layout pack and select it. There you will see a preview of all of the different layouts included in the pack on the right. Go ahead and select the one that you want and then click Use this layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it or save it as a draft. And you can always come back and use the Divi Builder to make changes to your layout to fit your own needs. And you'll want to continue this same process to create all of your pages with their corresponding new pre-made layouts from the mobile app layout pack. Once you're done creating all of those pages, you're ready to add a new menu to your website. To do that, go over to your WordPress dashboard and then navigate to Appearance, Menus. To create a new menu, go ahead and give your menu a new name and then select Create Menu. You'll see a list of all of the different pages that you created here on the left. Go ahead and select all of those and then add them to the menu. Under your menu structure area, you can go ahead and organize your menu items however you like. And once you're done, go ahead and make sure and select Primary Menu for your display location, and then click Save Menu. And now that your menu has been created, let's do one more thing. Let's go ahead and add a static home page to your website. To do that, let's go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, go ahead and select a static page, and then for the homepage, select the homepage that you created with the corresponding homepage pre-made layout, and then click Save Changes. Now your new layout pack is up and running with the new mobile app layout pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new mobile app layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.